What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be powder coating some four-wheeler parts. Some are going black, some are going white, and a lot are going Bentley Blue. Now let's get into the video. To start it all off, we're just going to take these parts apart real quick, separate everything. We're going to take the netting off. We're going to take these off because this piece is going black. We're going to get the handlebars off. We're going to do all that first. So let's go ahead and get to it. Those apart, we're going to go ahead and get the bearings out, and then we're going to go ahead and take these foot peg things apart. So let's get to it. So I have some small pieces I have to hang, and I wanted to show you guys some of what we do. So these have threads. We're going to make sure that they have a silicone plug in them. But I just take some 16 gauge. It's actually fence for electrical fence because it has better conductivity. But you can just use baling wire or whatnot. But this is aluminum, not steel. Make a little knot there at the bottom. Probably a little bit bigger than that so it doesn't fall through. And then we want it to sink in there just a little bit. That way we can put the plug in there and it covers everything completely. I am going to acetone this piece off. There you go. That is just one unique way that you can hang things that you're going to powder coat. I am going to squeeze this closed just a little bit more, so it can go inside just a little bit more. There we go. That way it's definitely grounded and connected very well in there. I have a couple more small pieces I'm going to do up for you. Give me just a second. These first pieces we're going to be doing today are going to be polar white. This is for a four-wheeler that is going to be blue, so it's going to be like a Bentley Intense Blue. Very awesome, we're excited. But first there are a couple of parts that have to go white, and there's also a couple of parts that have to go gloss black. So we're going to go ahead and shoot this in polar white with our KFX1. We're going to have the powder at 36, the KV at 70, and the microamps at 90. We're just going to be doing these small parts that I showed you how to hang. We're getting ready to clean them off with acetone, and then we will get to laying down powder. Let's get to it, it's been a while. So now we're going to be shooting wet black from Tiger Drylac. We have a few different pieces. I am going to use a couple of different settings. So my powder is going to be at a 34, and I might change it a little bit, and then my microamps and the KV will change, but I'm going to go ahead and put it down below what I use because each piece is going to be a little different. I've got everything plugged up, ready to go. Let's do this. I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.